Pooja Anil Sanjay. Today's date is 24 Feb 2022 and today's topic is SCP in Java. SCP means string constant pool. Let's first of all we see what is a string. String is a sequence of character, but in Java string is an object that represents the sequence of a character, and the string object is created by two ways. First is by string literals and by new keyword. By string literal, the syntax of string when the assign the string in a double quote, we call this is a string literal, and then when we create a string using a new keyword, then the string object is created by the new keyword. Then in a string constant pool, when the string object is created in the JVM gives the heap memory, and in heap memory we allocate the memory for the storing the object of the strings. Is called as a string constant pool. In this string constant pool, we store the all object of the string using a program, and in heap area we store the another, and then suppose we create an object by using a literal. When the string is string s, then equal to in double quote ABCD. This is the string literal, and the string literal object is stored in a SCP string constant pool, not in a heap memory. It is stored in a SCP. Then the next is a string s is created by using a new keyword. Then this new keyword object is created in a string object is created in a heap memory. First of all, when the new keyword is used to create a string object, then new keyword and the constructor we call, and in constructor we pass the literal string object. Then that's why first of all the literal string object is created in SCP, and then the content of this object is referred to to create a heap in a heap area to create an object of. Then the new keyword is create a one or two object of the string. Then in a literal, first of all we check the given string object is already available already present in SCP. If the present in SCP, then just return the reference address of the variable. And if the string object is not present in SCP, then they create a new object of that string. Then that's why the memory of SCP is stored. Then we can use the one object if you created, then they use the multiple times. Then we did not need to create a one object, or the second time to create a second object of this same content. We did not need to create again and again. Just we create a one time, then we can use or we can access by the different variables also. When the new keyword is used, then two objects created. First of all, we create in a SCP, and the SCP content refers to the heap area. In heap area, that's why the new keyword is created one or two objects. Then we also say that when we create a string using a new keyword, and the new keyword string is available in SCP, then we cannot create another object for this. We cannot create another object of that. If the string is present in object is present in the SAP, we just point to point, and the content of this object is stored in a also create another object of a heap area. And when the and return the when new keyword is used, then the heap area in heap object is pointed to the string object. Then and also by using the intern method we can also the point to the object of is present in SCP. Just we write the intern method for them, and if the two object address is to check the same variable different but point to the same object, we can check the is address is equal or not. We can use the equal method, equal to s1 equal to s2, then compare the address of the two variables as the same, then we return the true, and if it is not same, then it is return the false. This is all about the SCP string constant pool. Thank you.